Hey, Bouncy Bouncy. This is our first time. We just bought it this morning. I need to adjust it. It's too low. Hey, look over here. It's bouncing. We tried it once at Grandma Pudge's, Grandpa Ross's. He didn't quite get it, but he sure gets it today. Hey. Hello. Should we adjust it so we don't make a little bow-legged baby? Huh? What do you say? Well, he wants to start facing this way. Let's turn you around the other way. Come here. There's the baby. Hi, Thor. Yeah. Should Mommy be on the other side? Okay, more later.